Happy holidays and welcome to the KEH photo blog. My name is Alex, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a happy holidays themed image you can email to all your friends. So first thing we want to do is open up an image called Frost, and that image is going to be in the KEH blog. All you gotta do is just open that image and bring it into Photoshop. Here we are, we can take a look at it, and what we want to do is first convert the background into an active layer. So let's double click that and let's go ahead and name that Frost. Now the next thing we want to do is create a blue background to go over this and to tint that. So what we want to do is create a new layer, and that's available right here in the layer icons dock. So let's click that and let's go to our swatches and let's dial in 70 by 79 by 255. Okay, that looks great. Now let's go to our paint bucket tool. We can get that with the hotkey G. So I'm just gonna fill that in, and what I want to do is name this blue, and I want to drag the blue layer underneath Frost. And now let's select the Frost layer and let's set that to screen, blending option screen. Okay, nice. So let's create a new layer and let's grab a white color and let's grab our paintbrush tool and let's get a nice big brush somewhere between 700 to 1000 depending on the size of your image, and let's go ahead and just paint around the outside of this image to create some frost. You'll notice that my opacity is set to 35, so that way I'm not creating I'm creating a dimmed out version. And then what we want to do is go back to the blending modes for the frost, and we want to set that to overlay. And what we want to do is turn the opacity down a little bit. Okay, that's just going to create that nice frosty edge. Now the next step is let's group all these things into a folder. Holding down Option, I'm going to select these three layers, and then I'm going to drag those layers onto the folder icon. Okay, now you can see that it's grouped. Let's call that Ice. Okay, and then what I want to do is create a blending mask, and I can just click this icon right here and it'll create that. Now we need to bring Santa and her little helper into this image. So let's go ahead and grab this image called Santa and Elf, and let's just go and hit Control A for select all, and then let's Control C copy. Let's go back to our Frost image and then press Control V and paste that image in there. And let's go ahead and name that Santa and her helper. Okay, convert this into a smart object. So let's right click that layer and then go to convert to smart object, and let's resize that by Control T. We can go to free transformation, and holding down Shift we can scale it proportionally, and let's get it to, let's at least get it to fit on the screen. Okay, that looks good. Maybe a little bit bigger. Okay, now let's go and put this image beneath the ice. Okay, we can't see anything. So in order to bring the image to the front, we want to click on the layer mask and we want to grab our airbrush tool. We want to set that to black. So let's go ahead and just flip that, and with our low opacity let's start to reveal our subject. Okay, nice. Okay, so this is it. We're done with our Happy Holidays image, and you can feel free to save this out and blast this off to all your friends and colleagues and family. Thank you very much. Have a happy holidays, and come back next week for our next photo blog. Okay, bye-bye.